Hey everybody, so I was thinking of installing a new frunk in my Dacia Spring. And for the new frunk, I was thinking of installing one that's not as big so that it ventilates more, so there's more air around it. With the frunk I had before, I was a little worried that didn't get enough ventilation. I wanted one that's big enough and that it ventilates enough for the inverter and the engine. They do heat up a lot, especially in the summer. We've had temperatures of over 30 degrees Celsius. Taking all that into consideration, I was thinking of installing this frunk. It's from Rati. It's an OEM company, so you know it's good. And it's not that big, but it will have enough ventilation. Okay, let me show you how you install it. So this is the front. It has a nice cover that you can easily remove. It's a 20-liter volume. The maximum weight you can put in it, it says it's about 10 kilograms. And it's very easy to install. It takes like 10 minutes to install, but if you ever want to remove it and then put it back, it takes like under a minute. So there's a couple of screws. We're going to need to bolt it on to the car, which I like because it's a better, more secure fit. And these are the dimensions. So it's 46 by 33 and a half. The maximum depth is 16 and a half and 13 on this side. Okay, so first what you want to do is take these small bolts, get a couple of washers, put them in here. Flip it over. Get the rubber spacers. Do the same for the other one. And the rest, we're gonna go to the car. So at the car, all you need to do is replace these two bolts, this one and this one. Take a 10mm socket. Replace it with one of the supplied bolts that has an extension on it. Do the same for the other one. Put in the other bolt. Tighten it a little bit, not too much. Okay. Now you take these pins and put them on top. Install the other one too. Tighten them up a little bit. The next step is put a washer here. And now all you do is put the box in place, the frunk in place. So these two pins go here and they just press in. Then you take the other washer, and there's just one more nut. I just 3D printed a handle for it. And all you do is secure it here. Now, of course, you don't need this handle. You can just tighten it with a wrench, but I wanted to be able to easily remove it if I want to. And it's very easily removable. I think it's the most easily removable frunk you can get. It's nice, very, very secure on there. There's a nice dust cover. It also has plenty of ventilation space. And that's what I like about it. It's very ventilated. And if I ever want to remove it, it's so easy. You just remove the dust cover. I remove this bolt, and I have a handle. I don't need a wrench. And you basically just lift it up, and it's off. If you ever want to put it back, it's just as easy. And it's as easy as that. I love it. It's very quick, very easy. If I ever want to remove it, I just undo that bolt, pull it out, put it back in. It has plenty of ventilation all around. I can check everything. It's a big enough space on the inside, very securely installed in there. It's pretty sturdy and tough. It's a nice plastic. Couldn't ask for anything better. I highly recommend it. Again, the ventilation, that's what I really wanted, and this has it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and I hope it helps. I highly recommend it. Bye.